Say hi.
Hey.
Gabby has to say hi for her graduation.
I'm graduating Wednesday. I forgot my graduation was on Wednesday.
When my dad sees that, he's gonna be like, here he goes again with this middle finger. Brendan likes flipping off the camera every time we like vlog or anything like that. So
well,
like every
in all my
vlog.
prom pictures with mommy and daddy, I'm like this.
You didn't take one smiling. That
I was like this.
Your mother would have killed you. Oh, I know. Don't even. Oh, I gotta see. Well, not tomorrow. The stairs. Oh.
Okay, bye. Look, door. Oh my god.
Ash, where are you going? You peeing? Oh, the camera.
Oh my god. He's just nervous.
My mom had.
Jump! God. He's so aggressive. He's gonna cut himself again.
He is, because he just slides. Oh my god, don't push him.
Okay, ready? Ready? Jump! God, oh my god! He's gonna freaking cut his leg open.
This dog, man. This is why you can't do dock diving. Because you would fail. How do you feel?
Nervous. Excited. Big day.
You know, Marcus said to her, what happens if you fall and trip and break your ankle off the stage?
Oh, she's like freaking out.
She was like so stressed. She was like, Marcus, stop it. What if I do fall?
Yeah, she was just talking, but she's like freaking.
How do you feel?
Are you eating food?
This is mine. I didn't get to finish. I didn't get to finish, Marcus. How do you feel about being the future only child in the house?
There's not a lot of crotch room in these shorts.
Well,
Right, I'm a little lower.
everyone's moving their shorts around. I'll do it before you break it.
Hi.
Don't break it. Beans, you didn't answer my question. How do you feel about being the only child left?
It's like the same thing.
So you're not happy, you're not sad,
I don't really care.
you just don't care.
There's no feelings towards it.
Okay, how do you feel about your sister graduating high school?
He's very proud of her.
Are you like so proud?
Extremely proud of her.
Good, that's so sweet of you.
What did he say?
He said he's so proud, extremely proud.
That's very genuine too.
I can't wait till she sees you say that. This is gonna be such a sweet video.
I'm so proud.
Thank you, Beans.
So very proud.
And that's gonna go in the video. Beans said on the video that he's extremely proud of Gabby.
That's
So proud.
What are you flexing?
You can see that. Look. Right here.
Fly guy. Beans kind of matches us. Beans is matching. He wanted to match.
Brendan, now Beans is running the school.
We absolutely should. Thank you down for that.
here we go.
This guy. Say hi to him. Hi. Oh, he.
Such a Grand Canyon.
No, this is better.
Young adults who are about to join us. On stage with me this afternoon are Board of Education Chairman Paul Davis, Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Jennifer Byers, Assistant Superintendent Frank Percaro, the members of the Amity Region 5 Administrative Team, and in attendance 24.
She's right there saying peace with the water bottle in her hand. Oh my god, zoom out! Right there!
Matthew Pasoa.
Yeah. Gab! Papa, stop! You're blocking the camera!
Raiden David Piper. Gabriella Elsa Rosa. Ian Samuel Martinet. Robert James Ruggiano. Maeve Lila Russell. Shane Peter Russell Tang. Riley Ann Zielinski.
Yeah, Riley!
This is the point where traditionally you throw your cash.
Come on, hey, I said congratulations.
With the camera.
Congrats, Gabby.
Take a picture. Ew.
That was a sick picture. I'm trying to get like the smoke like.
Yeah! Yo.
Where are you from?
Same. How do you guys feel now that we're like done?
Graduated. Really happy to be done. Bridget's a little weepy, but we're not. We're happy. Where is she? Get out of here.
Crying.
She's crying in a corner. She actually is.
Good job, guys.
awesome.
Good job, Ryan. Good job.
Gonna be a dentist. A trainer.
Wow.
His name is Ma.
Since like middle school.
Mom?
Yeah.
M.A. What? Marcus's nickname at school is Ma.
His friends?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Like, is it just short for Marcus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the laziest thing I've ever heard in my entire life. Yo, Ma.
His email is .ma. So they call him
Not an address. On the road again. But he's not. What? Stop it.
Fucking pothead.
Again.
Almost over my blood.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Almost did that. Rudolph Yankovic. Rudolph Yankovic over here and shit.
Booty.
I can't lie, this rap shit got me living like I hit the lottery. Punching knocking niggas out. One punch like we got in the boxing. No fighting, knocking niggas out. One punch like we got in the boxing. I've been flying state to state for drip, and I got every option. Man, let's not tap this budget.
Booty.
Mother hump, what